How to add Passkey to your Google account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Passkey to your Google account. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. You may also open Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Once in the browser, now in the search bar type in myaccount.google.com. Once you have entered it, press on enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Google. Here, ensure that you are logged into your account. You may also need to add the account password in order to verify your identity. Now after that, in this page, at the left side, you will be able to see some options. From here, click on the security option. Once you click on it, now you will be presented with the security tab. Now here, you will need to scroll a bit down, and under this how you sign in to Google, there you will be able to see passkeys and security keys option. Simply click on it, and then here you will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password, and then click on the next button at the bottom right. After successful verification, you will be able to reach to this page. Here you will be able to see the passkeys that you have applied on your devices. Now here you will need to find create a passkey option. You'll be able to see this option at the top right and also at this section. Simply click on the create a passkey button at the top right. Now you will need to enter the passkey. After entering it, the pop-up will disappear and here you'll be able to see this pop-up. You will see the passkey has been saved. Now click on this OK button right here. In this pop-up, you will need to click on the done option and scroll a bit down. There you will be able to see you have successfully added Passkey to your Google account. If you'd like to edit it, you may simply click on the pencil icon at the right side and then edit the name for your Passkey. Once after entering the name, click on the save option and the name will be changed. So by following these steps, you should be able to add Passkey to your Google account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.